Oh, hey friends, it's me, Twinkle. Sound Snatcher and I have been working all day on the farm. We were gonna go to hoe-down tonight, but just look at me. My hair is an awful mess. So sorry to disappoint you, Sound Snatcher. I still have to feed the pig, clean up, and well, I just won't have time to do my fabulous hair before the dance. Here, piggy, piggy. Here, piggy, piggy. Here. Holy cannoli, the pig is gone. OMG, Sound Snatcher, you switched the pup and pig for a whoop, and now instead of a pig, I have a wig. Sound Snatcher, it is time to dance.